Hey, hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, we are going to see how can we fix one of the most commonly faced error while testing the JSON data inside a message shape and body. So as you can see on my screen, I have a process here failing with this error can't parse argument number in the message shape. So let's see how can we fix this error. So let me quickly close this one. So I have a message shape here and I have included my JSON data over here. Let me show you how my JSON data looks. So this is my JSON. And currently when I'm trying to test the process, it's failing with the error. So please remember whenever you are testing, with the JSON data in the message shape, ensure you wrap the JSON data inside a single quote. So let me quickly do it. So now I have wrapped the JSON in the single quotes, click on OK, and then I'll click on save. So let me quickly try to test the process now. So as you see now, the error is resolved, and um, so we have I've included this JSON this data process shape to basically split the JSON records by ID. So if you can see, my JSON data has two IDs. So one, I've included the data process shape, and if you click on the output of the data process shape, you have two IDs over here. So this is how we fix this kind of errors. And another way we can get around this error is by uh, inserting a variable and passing the data as a static JSON. So let me quickly show that. So with the data, paste it over here. Okay. So this is another way to test it. So either of the ways will allow you to successfully parse the JSON data inside the message shape. Yeah. As you see, the process is a success and it produced two records. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.